Everyone knows that this photo was sold for $69.3 million, but not everybody knows that why someone bought this for this crazy amount of price. So in this video I am going to tell you everything about the NFTs and why they are so valuable. First question is, what is an NFT? An NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, that is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items and videos in a digital format. They are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency. So how do NFTs work? At a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain, though other blockchains like Solana have implemented their own version of NFTs. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain also keeps track of who's holding and trading NFTs. Why do NFTs have value? NFTs are valuable because they verify the authenticity of a non-fungible asset. This makes these assets unique and one of a kind. Picasso's paintings are non-fungible. While anyone can make copies of his paintings, the original painting remains irreplaceable and unique. So that's all for today's folks. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.